Here I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the BLACKBERRY settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap Apps icon. Let's find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down in order to choose System. From the following options, let's choose Reset Options, select Factory Data Reset. This will reset all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. You have to be aware of this, and let's tap Reset Phone. In order to begin the whole operation, let's choose Erase Everything, and right now the BLACKBERRY is performing the hard reset, so don't interrupt while the process is running. Let's just wait until the welcome panel pops up in front of you. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.